been like so much on like ibuprofen and Tylenol, it's like dulling the pain, but I feel like if I could get the inflammation to go down, because I feel like then it'll take like some of the pressure off my nerves, but it's been like at the base of my neck, you know what I mean, and then outward.
When you touch it here though, like literally you feel the sensitivity. Do you feel that right now?
Not right now, because I just took some Tylenol, like a bunch of Tylenol and ibuprofen. But as soon as it starts to wear off, like it hurts behind my eyes, it hurts on my temples.
Is it bogging you down, your energy levels?
Yeah.
Sucking you dry?
And I'm irritable and angry.
Well, for the sake of your son, then let's knock this thing out, shall we?
Exactly. So 5 days is enough. I was like, can't do this anymore.
Okay. I'm going to check that range of motion one more time, okay? I want you to bring your chin as far as you can this way.
Just looking at you?
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's go the other way. That's the really big difference there.
Yeah.
Okay. This time I want you to extend your head back as far as you can. Did you get any neck pain on that?
No.
Okay. Now, while you're in this position, turn your head as far as you can this way. And now compare it to this side. And does that one feel pretty similar to you?
Kind of.
Okay, bring your chin down as far as you can. And then turn your head to the left. Yeah, nothing. Let's go the other way. Do you feel, when you go that way, do you feel it pulling on this side?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Totally.
Go back to neutral, flex your wrist right here, and you're gonna resist against my hand, right there. Push against my hand. Hold. And you're strong. You've been exercising a lot?
No, not, I mean,
okay.
I tried to do spin
Push
yesterday, but.
Okay, bring your head back. Do it again. Okay, that actually got stronger. Bring your chin down. And push. And that starts to soften. You feel how the wrist gets all clicky and unstable?
Yeah.
Okay, right. It's coming from the right side. So your posterior right. And when I push on that right, that's more obvious?
That hurts.
Okay. Let's go ahead and lie on your back. We're going to do...
You're pushing right on that spot, that like it's...
Okay, show me that forehead pattern again.
So like it'll start in the base of my neck, but it'll like go outward.
Okay.
Like, and like normally it hasn't been like one side versus the other side, but it's doing that now.
How about when you eat? Do you notice any irritation?
Not when I'm eating.
That's okay there?
It's okay. That, all right there.
Okay. And just underneath it, it's so translated. So it's actually lateral left, but it's anterior left, which is a really nasty misalignment. So it's going to get really swollen on this right side. Okay, we're going to have to get this in a 2-part adjustment. Relax the neck, relax the shoulder there. Very good. And this is where all the laterality is, so you'll get a nice release here. Good. Occiput's just hanging up on it. So you're going to feel a nice lift there. Good. Great job. You just want to pull some of that swelling out of there. And just decompress those shoulders. You feel how hot those are. Does it feel really achy right in this area? Yeah, it's just toxic. actually feel it more on the right side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna do an upper back adjustment here to open this up better. So let's go ahead and sit up. Have a seat at the bottom. You doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Interlace your fingers behind your neck. And bring your chin down and come all the way back. There you go. Great job. Okay, now you can relax here. Take a deep breath in. Good. Okay, and this has been building up.
Yeah.
So I'm literally gonna drag out some of that swelling and junk. So this is gonna kind of hurt so good. Maybe just hurt so hurt, honestly, at first. But you'll thank me later. Okay, good. That wasn't so bad, huh?
No. I just know I'll have relief.
All right, sit up nice and tall. Just take some deep breaths. I see you smile, just see how that's... All right, pressure, tension, how's it feeling currently at this moment?
Feels a little bit, honestly, feels a little bit more relaxed, to be honest with you.
Are we okay with that?
Yeah,
Yeah?
very much so. Very much
Okay,
so.
let me have you turn your head to the left as far as you can. Okay, there you go. Look at you, back to normal. So the stress is completely off the spine right now. I mean, that was, let me just check the brain stem there. So make a fist and push this one against my hand right there. Okay, no more weird crickles and crackles, because now that nerve supply is going right to that wrist. That was epic.
Magic.
Dude, why do you wait till it gets like that?
I don't know what, that's like pain motivates me. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good motivator.
Yeah, I know.
It should motivate you faster next time.
I know.
Like, not so much pain.
Yeah, it was bad. It was super bad.
All right, well, hey, stay crazy hydrated today. Get a good night of sleep.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll just put this behind us. Every time.
Can I just walk or anything?
Go for a walk.
Okay.
Get out in the sun. Yeah. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.